bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, you can set different notification sounds for each app on your phone. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps and Notifications, pick the app, then customize its notification sound. On iPhones, some apps let you change sounds inside their own settings, but most use the general notification tone. Using unique sounds helps you instantly recognize which app is alerting you. No need to check your screen.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.